Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see that if you are using Google Pay application and in Google Pay application, you don't remember your UPI pin or you just want to change your UPI pin to a new one, then what are the steps involved in that I'm going to explain. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And without wasting any time, let's start the video. To change UPI pin in Google Pay application, all you have to do is you have to open the application first. You have to scan your biometrics, your fingerprint, or you can enter your password and you can log in into the Google Pay account, or you can just open the application completely. Once the application is open, this is the kind of interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now, to change your UPI pin, all you have to do is you have to click on profile icon, which is present on the right hand side top corner. So once you select profile icon, we are on the next page, and on next page, you have to select bank account option, which is present under payment methods. So you have to select bank account. After selecting the bank account, we are on the next page, and on this page, you can see all your accounts which are linked in Google Pay application, and also if you have added any debit or credit card, you will be able to see in the application. Now, for example, if I want to change any UPI pin for any particular bank. For example, if I want to change UPI pin of State Bank of India, as I don't remember the UPI pin or I just want to change to a new one. So you have to select that particular bank first. So I'm going to click on State Bank of India, and there are two ways to change your UPI pin in Google Pay. So the first way is for the people who don't remember their UPI pin. So as you can see, if you don't remember your UPI pin and if you want to change to a new one, you have to click on forgot UPI pin. And the second method is if you already remember your current UPI pin, but still you want to change it to a new one, then you have to click on three dots over here. And after selecting that, you get an option of change UPI pin. Now, for the people who don't remember your current UPI pin, you can click on forgot UPI pin. If I click on that, we are on the next page, and on this page what will happen is you have to enter your card details and you have to submit it. Once the details are submitted, you will be able to change your UPI pin. So I will show you by changing the UPI pin of Kotak Mahindra Bank. So if I select Kotak Bank, I will click on forgot UPI pin, and now it is asking me to enter the card details. So I will enter the card details and I will click on the blue tick mark at the bottom. So I have entered the details. Now I will be clicking on blue tick sign at the bottom. Once it is done, we are on the next page, and on this page you can see it is asking to enter 6-digit OTP. Now already the OTP has been received and it has been detected. So as soon as you enter the OTP over here, as you can see, it is automatically detected. You have to click on tick sign. Once you do that, we are on the next page, and on this page, now you can see set 6-digit UPI pin. So you have to enter new pin over here, which you want to set as your UPI pin. Now, for example, I'm going to enter some UPI pin over here for now. I have entered the pin. Now I'm clicking on tick mark sign at the bottom. Once I select that, we are on the next page once again, and now here you can see confirm 6-digit UPI pin. So you have to re-enter the new pin which you have already entered just now. And once you do that, and when you click on tick sign, your UPI pin will be changed to new one. So I'm not going to change it because I have already changed it multiple times. So this was for the people who don't remember your UPI pin. You just have to click on forgot UPI pin. You have to enter your bank details and then you will be able to set new UPI pin. For the people who already remember their current UPI pin but want to change, as I told you, you have to click on three dots. You have to click on change UPI pin. And currently now you can see you get an option to enter 6-digit old UPI pin. So as you remember your current UPI pin, you have to enter that. So I'm going to enter it. Once you remember or once you entered your current UPI pin, you have to click on tick mark sign at the bottom. Now we are on the next page, and on this page you can see you get an option to enter new UPI pin. So you have to enter new pin and you have to submit it, and once again you have to re-enter your new pin as showed you just few minutes back, and then you will be able to change your UPI pin to new one. So these are the two ways in Google Pay application by which you can simply change your UPI pin. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you find this video informative, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.